Hi and welcome. Today we are going to explain how to switch between workspaces on the web platform. First, log into your Kahoot account and click on the icon of your current workspace on the left side panel on your screen. The first workspace is always your private workspace. Only you can access it, and this is where you create and manage your own Kahoots, courses, reports, and groups. If you have an individual subscription, this is the only workspace you will see. A team workspace is a shared space where you can collaborate with colleagues. Here, everyone can work together on Kahoots, courses, reports, and groups. Team workspaces require a plan with multiple licenses. You can join one by invitation or by purchasing a team subscription. You can belong to multiple team workspaces, but you can only own one. To switch between workspaces, simply click on the workspace you want to switch to and you're in. Thank you for watching. Please remember to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting.